Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. In today's video, we are going to learn how to add Zoho CRM leads to Flowdesk as subscribers. Now suppose a new lead is generated in your Zoho CRM account and you want that particular lead should be automatically added as a subscriber in your Flowdesk. So how you are going to do that? For this, you need to integrate these two applications and we are going to do that with the help of Pabbly Connect. What we are going to do, we have Zoho CRM in our trigger and Flowdesk in our action. So we are going to integrate both of them by using Pabbly Connect in such a way that whenever a new lead is generated in Zoho CRM, that particular lead will automatically be added as a subscriber in our Flowdesk. So to learn this full automation, let me take you all to my screen. So in this video, we are going to learn that whenever a new lead will be created in our Zoho CRM account, automatically a new subscriber will be created in Flowdesk account with the same details. So let's start learning this process step by step. For that, first we have to go on a browser and search for pabbly.com. And as we do that, we are on the home page of this software. Now we can find two options here, sign in and sign up for free. So if you are a new user, you can easily click on sign up for free option to create your free new account in just 2 minutes. And also it will provide you free 100 tasks. Now because I am already an existing user of Pabbly Connect, therefore I am clicking on sign in. Now we have to click on access now option. And as we do that, we are on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here we can find all our workflows which we have created and also all our tasks allotted, tasks consumed, tasks remaining and free tasks consumed. Now to create a new workflow, we have to click on create workflow option given on right corner. So we'll click on it and now it is asking us to provide it a suitable name. So according to our workflow, we will give it a name as Zoho CRM to Flowdesk. Now we'll click on create. And as we do that, we can see that a workflow is here which contains trigger and action. So what are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the building blocks of any automation workflow. Now here we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can have multiple actions. So let's start with our trigger first. So let's select our trigger application, which will be Zoho CRM. And now we have to select our trigger event, which is new module entry instant. And now we have to click on connect. So it is asking us two options, add new connection or select existing one. So we have to click on add new connection. And then we have to click on connect with Zoho CRM. Now it is asking us domain. So what is the domain? To check our domain, we have to go on our Zoho CRM account. So let's go. So this is our Zoho CRM account. So here on the top, we can find that I am working currently in zoho.com. So this is our domain. Now what we have to do, we have to just select a domain from the given options. So my domain here is zoho.com. So I'll just copy it from here and then paste it. Done. And now we have to click on save. Now it is asking us to provide it a permission for accessing the data. So now we have to click on accept. One more thing, Pabbly Connect does not take any chance with your data. So you can freely click on accept. So we'll click on accept to connect Zoho CRM with Pabbly Connect. So we can see that our authorization is successful here. Now one more thing, we have to add the module name. So our module name here will be, because we are creating the leads in our Zoho CRM. So that's why we have to select leads. And now we have to click on save and send test request. And as we do that, it is showing waiting for response. That means now we have to do a test submission in order to capture the response over here. So we'll go on our Zoho CRM to create a new lead. So let's go. Now this is the lead section of Zoho CRM. Here we have to go on create lead option in order to create a new lead. And now we have to fill these details of our lead one by one. So let's start with first name. So let me give our first name as dummy and the last name as lead. Now next, phone number. So let me give one phone number as a dummy phone number and the annual revenue. Let us give 7 lakhs, the company name, and at last I want to give the email. And done. And I think this much detail will be enough. Now we have to simply click on save. And we can see that a new lead is created over here. So our next step will be to check whether we have received this response in Pabbly Connect or not. So for that, move to Pabbly Connect, and then and yes, we can see that we have received the response with the same details which we have entered. So now we have to move further. After that, our next step is action step. So what will be our action step here? We have to create subscribers in Flowdesk with the same details which we have received in the form of lead in Zoho CRM. So let's select our action application, which will be Flowdesk. Click on it, and then we have to select our action event, which is create or update subscriber. Now we have to click on connect. And as we do that, it is again asking us two options, add new connection or select existing connection. So let's click on add new connection, and then we have to click on connect with Flowdesk. So we have entered our email and password, and now we have to click on continue. As we do that, it is asking us the permission to access our Flowdesk account. Now we have to click on allow. So we can see that our authorization is successful. That means our Flowdesk account is also connected with Pabbly Connect. One more thing to remember, that I have already logged in to my Zoho CRM account and Flowdesk account before setting up the connection on Pabbly Connect. You can also do that because it makes easier to set up a connection with Pabbly Connect. Now let's move further. We have to enter the details one by one. So we will map the data here instead of entering it manually, because we want that whenever a new lead will be generated in Zoho CRM with dynamic details such as different first name, different last name, different company, different email. So we want that automatically the subscriber should be created in our Flowdesk with those details. We do not have to do it manually again and again. So therefore we are mapping the details one time here. So here it is asking us for field. So we want to create subscribers in Flowdesk with email. So we will map email here. And now it is asking us the field value, that means the email ID of the lead. That means the email ID of the subscriber. So we have to map the email ID of the lead from Zoho CRM, and that is here. Done. Now the next is first name. So let's map the first name also, and this is the first name. The next is last name. So the last name is lead. And the next we have to enter the mobile number. So let's enter the phone number also. This is the phone number. And at last the company. So let's map the company name also. And done. So we have to click on save and send test request. And we can see that our status is successful. So now we have to check on our Flowdesk account whether we have received the response in the form of a new subscriber or not. So let's go on our Flowdesk account. So this is our Flowdesk account, and here we have to come on our audience section. And now let us refresh this page once. And yes, we can find that we have successfully created a subscriber in our Flowdesk account with the same details of the lead in Zoho CRM. So this was the full workflow, and let's summarize what we have done in this workflow. So basically we have taken Zoho CRM in our trigger and Flowdesk in our action, and we want that whenever a new lead is generated in Zoho CRM, automatically a new subscriber should be created with the same details in our Flowdesk account. And for that we have created one lead in order to capture the response over here, and then we have mapped the details of that particular lead in our Flowdesk account one by one. And after that we can see that we have successfully created a subscriber in Flowdesk. So these were the steps which we have to follow in order to integrate our Zoho CRM account and our Flowdesk account. And this was it in this video. I hope this helped. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can easily integrate many other applications by using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can easily email us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can easily reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you are having any pricing related issue with Pabbly Connect, you can easily reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful in any way, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also, please like our videos and subscribe to our channel to learn more such automation.